Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're excited to introduce you to the 30 by 21 inch extra large bamboo cutting board and stovetop cover, a versatile kitchen essential that combines functionality and style. Crafted from 100% natural bamboo, this oversized cutting board offers a generous operating surface, making it perfect for preparing cheese, vegetables, and meat with ease. Its unique design features 4 detachable legs, allowing you to use it not only on kitchen counters but also over gas or electric stoves, providing added security and convenience. The 90-degree corner design and 3.3-inch height ensure it stays firmly in place on your countertop, and its size allows it to double as a sink cover, cheese plate, or food tray. Thanks to its sophisticated craftsmanship, the board's flat surface is gentle on knives, free from cracks, dullness, and bamboo chips, ensuring a smooth cutting experience without scratches or marks. Cleaning is a breeze. Simply rinse with warm water and mild detergent, dry immediately, and occasionally apply mineral oil to maintain its appearance. This practical and multifunctional cutting board is a must-have for any restaurant or home kitchen, offering both durability and elegance. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.